Welcome to Not 100% Accurate, episode 14, part 2 of my interpretation of my flamethrower that I made. I finished priming it and I painted, and this is part 2. And this is what it looks like over here on this side. This is, I painted it at, painted everything over here. You can see the stuff right there. There goes a button, one's red, one's like a green. It still makes noise. On the other side of the flamethrower, I'll show you the front in a minute. That's another greeby that I put on there. And here it goes this side. There go the holes that connect to there. I also paint the little holes blue. And see the little green spot right there? That means it's on. Once you push the button, it will unite. Over here, that's where the spark comes out of there and hits this thing to unite for the flamethrower to come over here. It's not a real flamethrower, okay? Just in case. But yeah, if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and subscribe to my channel. And I come up with more content, like different things that I make every time. I like the way this thing came out. Looks like a flamethrower to me. That's the tank, of course. And this is the when it sparks, it's supposed to act like, you know, the flames come out of there and there. I think it came out real good. If you like it, like I said, share my videos. Give me some thumbs up. My name is Jerry13. And I'm out.